in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, central Clark County in southern Nevada, until 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, or 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 3:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, or 3:20 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Hoover Dam, or 10 miles southeast of Boulder City, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Hoover Dam and Willow Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If on or near Lake Mead or Willow Beach, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm.
Alright, that was my first severe thunderstorm warning catch of 2020. From the online stream of KDWN, because I cannot receive the broadcast during the day, only at night on my good old Sangian. Oh well, I'll probably use that to catch the Nevada statewide test, because it's during the day. Oh well, bye now.